Neat, more than just tidy. Learn its everyday uses. The word neat is simple, but very useful in English. It can describe something that's clean, tidy, and well organized, like a neat room or neat handwriting. But it can also mean something clever or even cool, especially in informal speech. Let's take a closer look at how neat works in different situations and why it's such a handy word to know. 1. Tidy and clean. Organized and not messy. Her room is always neat and tidy. He keeps his desk neat so he can concentrate better. 2. Simple and effective. Cleverly done. That's a neat solution to the problem. She came up with a neat trick to fix the software bug. 3. Very good or nice. Cool. Used especially in American English. Wow, that's a neat bike. It was neat to see a shooting star last night. 4. Of a drink, served plain, without ice or mixer. He ordered a whiskey neat. Do you want your tequila neat or on the rocks? Whether you're describing a tidy room or a clever idea, neat is the perfect word. See you in the next video.